Welcome to our deep dive into network security. In today's digital age, protecting your network is more crucial than ever. In this video, we'll cover the essentials of network security, including IP addressing, subnet masking, networking protocols, routers, switches, and firewalls. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide is designed to help you understand how to safeguard your network effectively. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about IP addressing. An IP address is a unique identifier assigned to each device on a network. Think of it as a digital address that allows devices to communicate with each other. There are two main types of IP addresses: IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit numbers, typically written in decimal format like this: 192.168.1.1. With the growing number of devices, IPv6 was introduced, which uses 128-bit addresses, written in hexadecimal format, such as 2001, 0DB8, 85A3, 0000000008A2, E 03707334. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit numbers, typically written in decimal format like this: 192.168.1.1. With the growing number of devices, IPv6 was introduced, which uses 128-bit addresses written in hexadecimal format, such as 2001, 0DB8, 85A3, 00000008A2E, 03707334. Next, let's discuss subnet masking. A subnet mask divides an IP address into the network and host portions. This helps in organizing and securing the network. For instance, the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 indicates that the first three octets are the network part, and the last octet identifies the host within that network. Subnetting allows for efficient IP address management by creating smaller, manageable subnetworks within a larger network. This not only helps in reducing network traffic, but also improves security by isolating different segments of the network. Now, let's move on to networking protocols. Protocols are rules and conventions for communication between network devices. Here are some key protocols: HTTP, HTTPS, used for transferring web pages; FTP, used for file transfers; SMTP, used for sending emails; and TCP/IP, the fundamental protocol suite for internet communication. TCP/IP, for example, consists of multiple layers that handle different aspects of communication. The TCP layer ensures reliable transmission of data, while the IP layer handles addressing and routing. Routers are devices that forward data packets between computer networks. They determine the best path for data to travel from source to destination. Routers connect different networks together and manage traffic within and between these networks. In a typical home or office network, a router connects your local network to the internet, directing incoming and outgoing traffic efficiently and securely. Switches are another crucial component of a network. Unlike routers, switches operate within a single network to connect multiple devices, such as computers, printers, and servers. They use MAC addresses to forward data to the correct destination within the network. Switches improve network efficiency and performance by reducing collisions and managing data traffic effectively. Finally, let's talk about firewalls. A firewall acts as a barrier between your internal network and external threats. It monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Firewalls can be hardware-based, software-based, or a combination of both. They are essential for preventing unauthorized access, detecting malicious activity, and protecting sensitive data. Thank you for joining us on this journey through network security. Understanding these concepts is crucial for anyone looking to protect their digital environment from potential threats. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more insightful content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Stay secure and see you in the next video.